Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add movie clips on TikTok. So let's dive right in. First off, head over to Google and search for Yarn Movie Clips. This will lead you to a website called GetYarn.io, where you'll find a plethora of movie clips available for use. You can search for specific clips by entering keywords related to TV shows, movies, or music. For this demonstration, let's pick something from the homepage. Once you've selected a clip, simply click on the download button to save it to your device. After downloading the clip, navigate to TikTok, either on your computer or mobile device. Click on the upload button on your TikTok account and select the downloaded video. You can also enhance your video by editing it in apps like CapCut. Once you've uploaded the clip, don't forget to add a caption. You can include hashtags and other details to make your TikTok stand out. Your movie clip is now ready to be shared with the world. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.